Hello everyone. Here I'm on Spruce Street between Kamak and 13. Broad Street is only a block from here, 2 blocks from here. And here to show you a 1-bedroom unit, a huge 1-bedroom unit. It's a bi-level, and before I go inside and show you what the inside looks like, I want to show you the outside of the building. This is the building, 1225 Spruce. The unit I will gonna show you is on the 2nd floor, and this area have a lot of coffee shop, bar and restaurants, and you only a block and half away from the train, the orange line, and you also very close to Patco. The location is very convenient and easy access to public transport. This is what the building looks like. There are 7 units in this building. The units which I'm going to show you is, I said, on a second. So now I'm getting to the building. You go the first door, you have to have a key to get in. Then there is another door, a second one. Here on my left you have the mailboxes. The unit, as I said, is the 2nd floor. All right, I'm on the 2nd floor now, getting into the unit. It's a beautiful bi-level 1-bedroom unit. This is your living space. Just got in here. Here is your front door. Just walk in. And in this area you have a mini split for your heat and air. You have a non-working fireplace, and also you have 2 closets on the left and right. The right side closet has your laundry machine, stocked up laundry machine. This one is your storage closet. And the next place is your kitchen. It's almost a brand new kitchen. You have plenty of cabinet space and a gas oven, upgraded countertop. You have a garbage disposal, a refrigerator. You also have 2 windows for a natural light. The place gets a lot of natural light. All right, your bedroom will be on the next level. As I said, it's a bi-level unit. So I'm going to the bedroom. As I walk upstairs. Here I have the next closet space. And going up. Here is your bedroom. It's a big bedroom with 2 huge windows and a mini split for heat and air. Here on my right you have your closet space. Bedroom, and here in this bedroom you also have a brand new bathroom. You're looking out to the side of the building from your bedroom, and with this window. So here On this floor you also have a brand new bathroom. It's a stall shower, tile wall, tile floor, beautiful vanity, and the toilet. This is a space from this angle. It's a big bedroom. The last place I would like to show you is your deck. Next to the bed, the bathroom, you have the door that leads you to the back. And here you go out to this beautiful deck for a breath of fresh air. It's nice space to have. On a nice, beautiful evening or morning, you can set your chair here and have your morning coffee. This is a beautiful apartment. It's a one bedroom, huge in size. So I hope you like the video. Hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.